Hi everyone, Sarah here today, and I thought that I would go ahead and jump on and show a quick unboxing of my new kits that I just got from Color Rush Studio. Home Sewn is this kit this month, and it is just gorgeous. It's full of the Poppy&Pear collection. So let me dig in and go ahead and show you. I'm gonna move the embellishments off to the side really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the papers. And starting out, I'm gonna show you these ones. This is the front and this is the back. And I love this, the little strips where the florals are contained within those stripes. That's just so cute. I think that is just gorgeous. Now the second set of papers, I've got some ideas for this one already, which is, it's gonna be fun. Now the second set is these cute little banners. And I love them. They're bright, they're colorful, they're gorgeous. And then the opposite side is this just stripe. And it matches up a little bit with this back here, but it's got a little more of the green lines in it. I think this collection is just so, so pretty. And let's see. And this is the next one. Okay, I like embroidery hoops. I think they're gorgeous. I have not done embroidery for a long time. I know how to do it. Haven't done it, but I don't know. I may have to do something just so I can find other ways to use this too. But yeah, so this is the front side and then this is the back side. It's a beautiful tone-on-tone floral there. I love this. It is gorgeous. I love the fact that I like a lot of tone-on-tones like that because they make them easier to use as, I say, like plain paper. Not cardstock, obviously, but they make it easier to use as a plain paper and pile up other patterns on top of it. So I love having some of those as an option. I love papers like this as well because I can fussy cut or I can cut holes and put pictures behind or embellishments coming out. I love pages like this. And honestly, I really like the frames on a lot of these. They're really, really cute. And then the other side is this gorgeous flower, the bright yellow, just so pretty. And it really, really pops. I'm gonna go ahead and put those down. So you get those, and then let's see, actually this one there's a double of as well. So the purple that is in this kit, and I am a purple-holic. Not always my favorite with a lighter purple, but honestly, if I can work with a purple, I'm gonna do it. So I love this. And the opposite side is this right here of these adorable little houses and little shops. I mean, there's a bookstore, love me a bookstore. There's a tea shop. There's all sorts of, it says office. Oh, post office. They're just so cute. I love those. And then the last two papers, there's this one. And again, you can fussy cut, you can do all sorts of stuff with this. I love that. And then there's the opposite side of that one. And then let me move this down a little bit, see if I can do that without messing everything up. And then the last one is this cute, adorable strawberry set. And I think that's just adorable. And then this is the other side. And again, it's kind of a tone-on-tone, but with a little extra touch with a cute little bow. How adorable is that? So I love that. And then you also, in the kit, you get two of these larger heart doilies. And I love doilies, so of course I will use those. They're beautiful. And then you get two smaller ones as well. One of mine got bent in shipping, but that's not an issue because it can get flattened out, not a problem. So you get two small ones as well. And then I always love the frazzles and ribbons. I mean, other than the fact that the name frazzles and ribbons is just cute, but I love the colors, but I love the different textures and stuff. And this is just adorable and always loving these. And I love the fact that she adds the black and white in there because you can use that with everything. You also get these alphas, and if you look on the side, they're three-toned. They're a teal, a white, and a pink, and they're layered up, and they're just too cute. And they're foam, so they're squishy. You can change their colors if you want to, but I think that they're really cute. You also get these butterflies. You get butterflies too. Sorry, you saw where my head was. You get butterflies. And they're sparkly. I had to keep these away from my daughters. And I apologize because I have gel pen all over my hand. But you get these cute little sparkly butterflies in 5 different colors. You liked my counting there? And they go really, really well with this kit, and they're just too cute. Let me see if I can get those back in the bag, but the bag wants to run away from me. So there's those, and then these are strawberries, not the butterflies. But you get these cute little strawberries, and they look like they're made out of corduroy, and I love that. And I know they're soft because I've had some of them before. And then this, I seriously love these. I like cork pieces for one, but I think it's so adorable. They cut these out for the kit specifically, and you get these little trees, and then this mat, it says Home Sweet Home. At least that's what it makes me think of as a mat. And this house, I mean, seriously, look at that cute little house and the little trees. They're just adorable. I love these. I look forward to them every month. And then you also get the embellishment pack from the same collection, and it comes with so many pieces. So many. And I love the little cat laying in the basket. That is just the cutest. And then there's the little houses. And then there's this, oh, I didn't even notice that. There's a string of lights. And of course there's florals and stuff. And look at the cute little truck. There's just so many cute things in this. But that is the main kit. Now I'm going to move this to the side really quick. Slide it over here. Make sure I don't drop anything on the floor. And then there's the add-on. And the add-on is also full of papers from the main kit, the same company, Poppy&Pear. Not company, the same collection. Apologies, my animals decided they were going to play. There is this, and look, it looks all stitched. It looks like it was embroidered itself, and I'm holding it upside down. It looks like it was all embroidered, so it's adorable. I love that. And this, look at that. I know it's just a stripe, no big deal. You can use it as a background, you can layer them, you can cut them into different pieces, and it's just a stripe. But I like a stripe, so I love that. Get that one down there, and then there is this. This is cute because it's like an in-between pinky purple, and it looks like little stitched lines. And then the other side of it, and I'm putting them upside down again, is this plaid. And I like a plaid as well, and I like the fact that there's like the purpley pink, and then there's a light purple and the yellow in there with a little bit of orange and some blue. It's just cute. And then, you know, in the main kit, there were both of these papers. And again, I am holding them upside down. I'm sorry. There was both of these papers in the main kit. And here you get another one of each of them. So now if you got the add-on, you also get an extra page of each of these. So you'll have 2 of each. So there's those. And then you get this. Okay, I don't know if you know what this is. This is to where you can do some embroidery on it. You can do some sewing on it. And then it also comes with some different embroidery flosses so that you can make any design that you choose to and add it to your project. So I think that's awesome. Again, I think I might actually have to try this again because it's been so long since I've done it. You get these cute little bows. They're adorable. They have a little bit of dimension, and they have texture to them on their own. Let me see. The item itself, the little bow, has texture on it. I'm going to pull out one of them really quick, this little minty one. But it's got a little texture on it. And I love that. Little attention to detail. Stuff like that I love because I notice little things like that. I don't know about y'all, but I do. And then you get this, another set of the 3D embellishments from the same collection, Poppy&Pear. And I like the wood touch around the outside and underneath this, making it where it looks like the embroidery hoops are there. So those are gorgeous. And then again, one of my favorites that I love, absolutely love, is this. Again, more of the cork pieces. I mean, they are just so cute. Look at these little houses. Oh my God. It's got polka dots. The house has polka dots. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I know I sound like a dork, and I'm okay with that. And that says, this is my happy place. Here's another different kinds of trees. and a cute little embroidery hoop. This is my happy place. And then these adorable little houses. They are just the cutest. And yes, I freaked out about the polka dots. I'm sorry. I love them. They're adorable. But the houses are just so cute. I love them. So this is the Home Sewn kit and the add-on from Color Rush Studio. Make sure to go check it out. I'll have some links down below so you can go check out the kits and other things that they have in the shop if you want to. So if you like this kit and you think it's pretty and you'd like to see what I create with it, make sure to like and subscribe so that you're notified when I upload, and you'll get to see what I create with this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.